Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Bilibili app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Bilibili. Normally, you should see the app appear right away. But if you can't find it, especially the Chinese version of the app, don't worry, there's an easy solution. The reason you might not see the Bilibili app is that it's only available in certain regions. Here's what you need to do. Go to your Settings app on your phone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top, then choose Media and Purchases. Here, select View Account and then choose Country Region. Next, tap on Change Country or Region. Scroll down the list of countries and select China Mainland. Agree to the terms and conditions, select the payment method None, and tap Next. If it doesn't proceed and requires you to add billing details, then add some random address like I'm doing. Once done, tap Next. It will take you to the App Store where you will see that all the apps are in Chinese language now. This means you've switched your country or region to China Mainland. Now go back to the App Store search bar, search for Bilibili again, and you should now see the app available for download. After you've downloaded the app, you can go back to Settings, follow the same steps, and change your country or region back to your original location. That's it. Now you are ready to use Bilibili on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.